Ladies and gentlemen, there's a new feature on the 2026 Lincoln Continental that Lincoln hasn't officially announced yet. And trust me, once you see it, you'll wonder why no other luxury car maker thought of it before. Today we're going to dive into this bold redesign in depth, but stick around because later in this video I'll reveal a mysterious feature that's stealing the show. So hit that subscribe button now, give it a like, and make sure you watch until the end. You don't want to miss it. Starting at the front, the new Continental boasts an unmistakably confident presence. The redesigned grille is larger, more intricate, and seamlessly blends with the new LED matrix headlights, which now feature adaptive beam technology. The aggressive lower bumper, complete with chrome-accented intakes and a floating splitter-style lip, gives it a sporty flair rarely seen in this segment. It's a fusion of elegance and power, demanding attention without screaming for it. Swing around to the rear, and you're greeted by one of the sleekest tail designs in recent memory. The full-width LED light bar now flows gracefully into the new Lincoln insignia, which is subtly illuminated. The sculpted trunk lid and quad exhaust finishers enhance the performance vibe, while the panoramic rear glass adds to the car's futuristic aesthetic. It's a perfect visual conclusion to the Continental's new silhouette, refined yet provocative. What many won't notice at first glance is the Continental's new Smart Flush door system. Hidden under a seamless panel line, the doors now open via proximity sensors and retracting handles that appear only when approached. This is not only a design flex, but also a technological statement. Lincoln is silently merging convenience with cutting-edge engineering. Beneath the beauty lies a powerhouse, a newly tuned twin-turbo V6 engine, rumored to deliver over 450 horsepower, paired with Lincoln's updated adaptive suspension system for maximum ride comfort and cornering precision. It's also rumored that the car may introduce a whisper mode, which actively cancels outside noise with a revised acoustic glass package and hidden micro resonators in the chassis. These upgrades are subtle, secretive, and absolutely thrilling. With its commanding presence, reimagined luxury, and next-gen features that are both visible and veiled, the 2026 Lincoln Continental isn't just back, it's rewriting the rulebook. As whispers about its hidden feature grow louder, one thing's for sure: Lincoln didn't just bring the Continental into the future, they brought it with style, strength, and suspense.